Welcome to Barbecue Food for You, the backyard barbecue show. I'm Jason King. Today I'm going to be showing everyone how to cook up an Old El Paso taco kit on your barbecue that's quick, easy, and simple to clean up. Let's get started. Now, today I'm going to be using the Weber 26-inch kettle fueled with hardwood lump charcoal. Already got one chimney fired up, waiting to get this started, and we'll get everything rocking and rolling. I'm starting with 1 pound of ground beef and an Old El Paso stand and stuff taco dinner kit. Let's crack this open. If you guys never had one of these, they're super easy to cook. I'd say the majority of people cook them in the frying pan. The barbecue is so much easier. Take the supplied taco seasoning that comes with the kit and just mix it in with the meat. Get your hand in there, mixing everything around, getting everything nice and turned so everything gets a nice even coating. Barbecue's fired up and the meat's seasoned. Take a sheet of aluminum foil and just simply fold it over so you got 2 layers here. Take a toothpick, poke a few random holes. You don't really need too many. It's just to help the meat juices drain a little bit. Take the seasoned ground beef. We seasoned with the Old El Paso taco kit. And get it all out here and then spread it out. So you just want it nice and even. You don't want big chunks. So every piece gets a nice coating of smoke on it. Beef is seasoned and ready to go. If you like to add other toppings like onions and peppers, just sprinkle it on now. They'll cook with the beef, get a nice little kiss of smoke. Just be another layer of flavor. So that's about a cup of onions, and I have green peppers. Quick, easy, and everything's looking great. Get the lid on and let it cook. Just hit the 11-minute mark. Let's crack the lid and take a peek. Got running around, getting all the toppings together. But everything's ready to go. This is looking pretty good. You can see the majority of meat's all pretty much cooked. Need a little touch more in the middle. But to get everything just sizzled up, it's gonna slide it over the direct coals. Get a little bit of sizzle going on just to finish everything up. Only for a minute or two. Once the meat is nice and brown, simply remove it and place it in a serving dish. Wearing a pair of heat-resistant gloves, simply grab the aluminum foil and just pour the contents into the serving dish. And you have perfect smoky barbecue taco meat. Check that out. It smells great. Place the shells on the indirect side of the cooker just for a minute or two, just to heat and warm up. The stand and stuffed taco shells are hot and toasted, fresh off the barbecue. Now it's time to build your tacos. Use any type of ingredients and toppings that you like to taste. I'm gonna start with some sour cream on the bottom. Just gives it a nice creamy little layer. Take some of the taco meat. Got those cooked onions and green peppers. Give that a good coating. Go in with a little bit of lettuce. Some of the Old El Paso salsa. Oops. A little bit of tomato. And finish it off with some cheddar cheese. Simple, easy barbecue taco. Under 15 minutes, all done. Time to dig in and really put them to the test. The dog's under here. Oh, I don't want to drop taco stuff on you, doggy. Bang on. smoky, and got that nice old El Paso taco seasoning. The toppings, the cheese. Easy cleanup. Throw the piece of foil off the barbecue. Simple, quick, and delicious. That's how you cook an old El Paso taco kit on the barbecue with ease. Now this recipe can be done on any barbecue. Just set it up for indirect cooking. Just heat on one side and no heat on the other. It's pretty easy. If you like this recipe, be sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe because I have over 150 new original recipes the world has never seen before. It's easy to do. Barbecue food for you. Give it a try. Just dropped a whole bunch on my dog.